Hi, I'm Kevin with Super Duper Publications, and these are our sensory diet cards, which we use to help children regulate their sensory system. The colorful illustrations help children understand when their sensory systems have had too much or too little, and show easy activities to help them get just right. The deck contains 48 fully illustrated exercise cards divided into 5 sensory categories: movement and resistance, movement and balance, tactile, visual, auditory, and olfactory, and oral motor. Sensory diet cards include 60 full-color illustrated cards with 48 exercise cards and 12 teaching cards. We also include an introduction, game ideas, and content cards, and it's all packaged in a sturdy storage tin. To learn more about this or other products, visit us at superduperinc.com and follow us on social media.